Spanish style sardines. Ayan. I will try this. I never try use this brand for this pasta. So back to my channel again. So today I'm going to cook pasta with Spanish style sardines. Ayan. I will try this. I never try use this brand for this pasta, so I try it now. Boy English. Try to speak English. Charot. Yes, here's my ingredients. Here's my noodles pasta. Yan. And then this garlic, tomato, and this one family brand sardines, Spanish style sardines. And then good luck to me if it's good or so good. See ya. Let's do this, baby. Here, it's ready. Ayan. It's nice already the garlic and also the garlic and the tomato. And here, it's ready. Ready to cook. Oh, ito na. Let's cook. Ito na yung Spanish style. Spanish. Ayan, Spanish. Sardines. So, hindi na ako gamit. I have to use some oils. This oil in this and let's use that. Ayan. That's the oil of this one. I use the oil. Spanish sardine style. So, I will do it. Ayan. Then, I add this. So, I will cook already if yung maluto na yan. Yung maluto na yung, dito kayo ma-English ka. If maluto na yung tomato and garlic. So, buwal tayo. So, brown na. So, brown na yung bawang. I-add na natin yung noodles. Yun, sa akin gusto ko yung medyo nasunog-sunog konti yung bawang. Then, yun, naluto talaga yung kamatis. Yung ganyan. Then, I add ground pepper. So, yan. Wait a minute. And then, I add a little bit of butter. Konting butter lang. lastly, ito na yung pinaka-last. This is the last one, yung laman ng sardines. Yung, hindi lang laman. So, it's done. Finish. Ayun, tingnan natin. Yan na siya. Tapos na. Ready to eat. Let's go. Eating time. Yan. This is it. Here is my Spanish pasta. Spanish sardines. Pasta with Spanish sardines. Ayan siya. Yan na yung Spanish sardines. Then, yan na siya. Ready to eat na. Ooh. Oh, this is my final. This is the final. It's done. Ready to serve. And I add bread. This is bread. Yan, bread yan siya. It's up to you if you want to add bread or not. Or meron ding cheese. We have cheese here. If you want to add more cheese, it's better if you want. But if not, it's okay. Yeah, there's a cheese there. I add cheese here. And it's up to you if you want. Parang gusto mo lang mag-add o hindi. Basta sa'yo na yun. Okay. Ayan, ready to eat na. Kain tayo. So, ayan na siya. Ayan na yung Spanish sardines and the cheese and the bread there. So, ayan. Mukbang! Ayan, ito na yung pasta with Spanish sardines. Titikman ko na kung ano kaya yung lasa ng ginagawa ko na first time ko itong ginawa. Let's try again. Let's try kung masarap. Bro. Wala akong masyadong inag na ano. Yun lang yung kanina na pinakita ko. Bro. Bro. So, thank you for watching. Sa hindi pa nakatry, sana nakatry nito, mag-comment down below. Nasa hindi pa kayo. Ready to eat. Bye! Thank you for watching. See you next time. Sa hindi pa na-subscribe, sana mag-subscribe kayo. And salamat. Bye! Ingat! Don't forget to thumbs up if you like.